Apple launches the first driver's license and state ID in wallet with Arizona. Now this gets me going.
You like this?
It hits me right where it counts.
The loins.
That's right. You've been doing this job long enough to know where it counts, Will.
Mm-hmm.
I want to carry as few things around as possible, obviously. And that goes for wallets. It goes for
keys.
Everything. Anywhere I can eliminate a thing I have to carry. Now, I know there's other people out there that they say, hey, man, that's risky. You got everything on your phone, literally everything. You lose that phone or that phone dies or whatever, you have no redundancy. Because once this happens, nobody's carrying this stuff ever again. And they're like, show me your ID. Like, I can't. Now, obviously, there's a backup and things like this to help alleviate some of that, but it's just inevitable that this is going to happen. So it's really not even worth the fight. It's like saying that it's like arguing about cash or something. It's like great. I don't mind. I like that cash exists, but you gone through the drive-through recently? Everybody's tapping away.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody's tap dancing through there.
Yes.
Additional states are going to follow, including Colorado, Hawaii, Mississippi, Ohio, and the territory of Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico.
I was just going to ask, have you ever lost your phone?
Maybe once. But it's a vague memory. This would be over 10 years ago.
Did you ever get it back?
And what would have happened was, it got stolen along with everything else I had, I believe, from a locker at Hoop Dome. You know Hoop Dome over by Downsview?
No.
Really?
I'm guessing that's a gym.
You go there to play basketball.
Right.
And I mean, they also have like volleyball over there as well. And it's like it kind of looks like an old hangar. And you would sign up and play in some type of league over there. And they broke in the locker and I think they stole my phone. I don't know. They actually, funny enough, I got the wallet back. See how that works? They took, I think if there was any cash in the wallet, they took, but then they put the wallet back because they don't want all that ID on them. See, the ID is not valuable on its own for most people. Although I have a whole different story about a passport theft, which I don't think I'm going to go into right now. Maybe one day. So that's a crazy. I don't even think I told you that story before.
No.
Actually, something wild.
We'll find a day.
Something wild. Today's not the day.
No. Today is
different type of day.
Your phone stolen day.
Different type of day. So anyway, it's inevitable regardless. Maybe we get to a point where people keep like a backup phone in their car or something with all the ID and stuff on it. I got to give a few shout outs here to Lotan and TechMed. But anyway, so in these places, you can start to put your stuff right. And they started this with COVID too, with like vaccine passports and stuff.
Yes, I used it.
They let you put it into your wallet.
With the QR code.
They let you throw it in your keep it in the same place that you keep your payments.
Yes.
All that stuff is gone now, so what's the difference? But this is nice. You carry one thing. I mean, it's obvious the advantages here. Get your driver's license in there. Add it to your iPhone and to your Apple Watch.
Oh, okay.
You always got your driver's license. You know what happened around here recently? They got rid of the license plate stickers. You must like that.
Mm-hmm.
You're a big fan of that, right?
Yeah, it was very annoying.
You go in there and get this sticker.
You get the sticker, you put it in the back of your license plate, and it's like, was it $100 a year?
I don't remember what it was.
Like, why?
Well, they want your money. Well, that's why.
Well, they're not getting it anymore.
Anyway, you can see this person's going through transportation at the airport, and that's it. It's just looking at their ID, and they don't even need a document. Like, that's kind of nice because you're carrying all these documents to the airport. Now, of course, this is you're traveling domestically. But still, it's cool. So go ahead and check out this press release, and if you're in one of those places or if you're just excited about the rollout.